Vivo confirmed that the Vivo X300 series will launch on October 13th in China. The brand has released official images to confirm the design and color options of the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro. Vivo X300 Pro official colors are Wilderness Brown, Simple White, Free Blue, and Pure Black. The X300 will also have a velvet glass finish and a metal frame. Both X300 and X300 Pros support the Zeiss 2.35x telephoto extender, the same accessory first introduced on the X200 Ultra. The X300 carries a 200-megapixel Zeiss primary camera paired with a 50-megapixel telephoto module, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The device is expected to retain premium features such as full waterproofing, wireless charging, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and a compact 6.3-inch display, making it one of Vivo's smallest flagships in recent years. The X300 and X300 Pro will debut as the world's first phones powered by the Dimensity 9500. It's equipped with 16GB of RAM and Android 16, with Vivo's V3 Plus imaging processor and Origin OS 6. Vivo X300 camera samples. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.